How do you pair a DJI Mic Mini wireless microphone with a phone? In this case, it's an Android phone, but you'll get the gist if you have a different kind of phone. First, I'm going to swipe down from the top to turn on Bluetooth, and I'm going to go into the Bluetooth settings. And then on the side of the DJI Mic Mini, we have the two buttons. The other button is the linking button. It has a chain icon on the side. I'm going to hold this down for a few seconds, and you should be able to see that the LED light is flashing alternately blue and green. And if I let go of the button, that flashing green and blue continues. Over on my phone, if I scroll down to available devices, you should be able to see this DJI Mic Mini and then a sequence of numbers. I'm going to click on that, and it says pairing, Bluetooth pairing request, pair with DJI Mic Mini. So I'm going to hit pair, and now we can see that the DJI Mic Mini is successfully paired with my phone. It tells me connected for calls and 40% battery remaining, and there's a solid blue light showing on the DJI Mic Mini transmitter. If I open my phone's camera and I'm going to go to Pro Video, you can see an option for the microphone, and you might need to select the microphone from these options here. I'm going to choose BT for Bluetooth, and if I tap on the mic, you should be able to see the levels going up and down here. I've only been able to confirm this on Video Pro mode. This is how the DJI Mic Mini sounds recording on my phone. So this is an Android phone, it's a Samsung Galaxy S20, and this is how the DJI Mic Mini sounds being sent by Bluetooth. Now, I have been told that the connection between DJI mic over Bluetooth isn't quite as good as sending it to either a DJI receiver or a DJI camera. So I'm recording as much audio as possible with some drilling in the background, thank you, just so you can hear the difference between this microphone being sent by Bluetooth to a phone. And this is how the onboard microphone sounds on my phone, just to give you a comparison between the DJI Mic Mini and the phone's onboard internal microphone. Now, this could be really useful if you are a YouTuber or you're a content creator for Instagram or TikTok, because it means that you can use this microphone to shoot on your phone, and hopefully the quality of this will sound much better than the onboard microphone on your phone, whatever phone you're using.